Hello learners, today we are going to learn about a fun figure of speech called onomatopoeia. In this lesson, we will learn about words that make sounds. Listen carefully. These words sound exactly like the noises they describe. Did you notice something special? These words sound like real sounds. What is onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech where sounds imitate or copy natural sounds. In simple words, onomatopoeia means words that sound like the noise they describe. Quiz time. Choose the onomatopoeia that best completes the sentence. Abby made a big dash when she jumped into the pool. Water, mess, wet, splash. And the correct answer is splash. Abby made a big splash when she jumped into the pool. When you hear a clock, you hear tick-tock. The word tick-tock sounds like the clock itself. Animal sounds are great examples of onomatopoeia. Bark, meow, moo. Nature also makes sounds. Rain goes drip drop, thunder goes boom, and wind goes whoosh. Even people make sounds. We laugh ha ha, cry boo hoo, and whisper shh. Objects around us also create sounds. Doors creak, phones ring, and drinks slurp. Quiz time. You! This food is bland, Sarah complained. What is onomatopoeia? You, Sarah, food, all of the above. And the correct onomatopoeia is you. When we use onomatopoeia in sentences, the action becomes more exciting. For example, the balloon popped. These sound words help us imagine the scene clearly. Can we imagine the bee buzzing and the cups clinking? Poets use onomatopoeia to make poems musical and lively. And here's one example for an onomatopoeic poem. Splish splash. The drip drop of the rain, it's time to run. A big jump. Splish splash goes the puddle. Squeal! And the child giggles happily. Comics and cartoons use sound words to show action and excitement. Here's an example for comic words. Quiz time. Which of the following is onomatopoeia? Wear your thinking caps on and let's think. Your options are goggle goggle, ha ha, splur, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Onomatopoeia makes writing interesting, fun, and easy to imagine. Let's try a quick activity. Can you match the sound with the picture? The first sound is buzz. And we match it with the bee. Very good. The second word is splash. It matches to water. Good job. The third word, woof, it's matched to the puppy where it goes woof woof. The fourth word is ouch, and it matches to my thumb which goes ouch when the pin pricks. The fifth word is grr, which goes to the bear when it's very angry. Good job, learners. Let's move on and look at a few fill in the blank spaces. What sound does a door make? Creak? Very good. Now let's fill in these blank spaces. There is someone dash on the door. Knocking at the door. Second one, Shilpa playfully dashed water on Anjan. She splashed water on Anjan. Third one, Anita's cat was dashed this morning. It was meowing this morning. The dash train was the best ride ever. The train was the best ride ever. And my clock went dash every hour. My clock went tick tock every hour. Now you try. Think of one sound word and make a sentence. Let's recap. Onomatopoeia means words that copy real sounds. We see them in stories, poems, and comics. Great job, learners. Listen to sounds around you while you learn because learning can sound fun and you might discover new onomatopoeic words every day.